Question 3. This question is from discrete random variable. The random variable x takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the values of x. X is discrete random variable. It is given that probability of x is equal to x is equal to kx into x plus a. Probability of x is kx into x plus a, where k and a are constants. Part A of this question is given that probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to 3 into probability of x is equal to 2. This is an equation. This is an equation between probability of x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Find the value of a and the value of k. We have to find the values of a and k. Values of x are x can take values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now probability of x is equal to 1. Now first we will find the by using this relation, by using this uh, probability formula, we will find probability of against each value of x. First we will find probability of uh, since this is a relation, probability of x is equal to x k x into x plus a. First we find probability of x is equal to 1. We will put 1 in this equation. We get now we only need probability of x is equal to 4. Uh, Probability of x is equal to 4 and probability of x is equal to 2. We will put the values of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 in this relation. We only find probability of x is equal to 4 and probability of x is equal to 2. Then we will put these values in this equation to find the value of a and k. So we only find probability of x is equal to 4. Probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to k into 4 plus a. This becomes 4k 4 plus a. Now in the same way we will find probability of x is equal to 2. Probability of x is equal to 2. Putting the value in the same relation here, k into 2 plus a. We get 2k into 2 plus a. So these are the values of x is equal to probability of x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Now putting these values x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2 here in this relation, relation is probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to 3 into probability of x is equal to 2. Putting these values of probabilities, we get it 4k. The value of probability of x is equal to 4 just we have found. 4k into 4 plus a is equal to 3 into value of probability of x is equal to 2 is 2k into 2 plus a. Now we will simplify it. Left side 4k into 4 plus a. Right side is 6k into 2 plus a. Cancellation of k from both sides. We get 16 plus 4a is equal to 12 plus 6a. From here, uh, 2a is equal to 4 and a is equal to 2. The value of a is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of k also. A we have found. Also we have to find the value of k. Now we can construct the probability distribution table for it. This is probability distribution table. Values of x, probability of x, x can take these values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will put here the probabilities against each value of x. For x is equal to 1, we use the same relation. Probability of x is equal to 1 we will find from here. K, the value of a we have found already, that is 2. Now from this given relation, putting the value of x and a is 2 and x is 1. X is 1, we get probability of 1 is 3k. In the same way, putting x is equal to 2 in the above relation, putting x is equal to 2 and value of a, that is 2, we get the probability of 2 is 8k. In the same way, probability of 3 is 15k, probability of 4 is 24k. Now this is a discrete, this is a probability distribution table. Now in discrete random variable, sum of probability is equal to 1. From here we can find the value of k. Probability, the sum of probability must be equal to 1. 3k plus 8k plus 15k, this is the sum of probabilities, must be equal to 1. Now adding these terms we get 50k, that is equal to 1. From here k is equal to 1 over 50. This is the value of k. Now next part of this B part is draw up the probability distribution table for x, which we have drawn already, but in the next part we will put the value of k. Again we are constructing the table. Draw up a probability distribution table for x, giving the probabilities as a numerical fractions. We will write the values of probabilities in fractions. The table we are constructing it again. x and probability of x. Values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, putting the value of k 1 over 50 in this table, it becomes probability of 1 will be probability of 1 will be 3 over 50. Putting the value of k 3 over 50, probability of x is equal to 2 will be 8 over 50, probability of 3, x is equal to 3. We are putting here the values of k, probability of x is equal to 3, that will be 15 over 50. Now probability of x is equal to 4 will be 24 over 50. Now next part of this question, part C is given that Ex is 3.2, Ex shows a mean value of x. That is given Ex is equal to 3 over 2. Find variance of x. Now formula for variance equal to variance of x. This is formula Ex square minus Ex whole square. This is formula, but Ex we have, it is given Ex is equal to 3.2. We can put here the value of Ex, but we need here Ex square. So first we will find Ex square. Ex square will be summation product of x square into Px. Now we will take help from this table. We need x square and probability. Probability already we have, but we need square of x. So we make a little change in this uh, table. We will take the square of each value of x here to get x square. So we are writing here x square. Square of 1 will be 1. So is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, and 4 square is 16. Now to find ex square, x square into px, sum of summation, this sign shows summation of product of x square into px. So we can find it from here, x square into px, 1 into 3 over 50 plus 4 into 8 over 50 plus 9 into 15 over 50 plus 16 into 24 over 50. We can write here, this becomes 3 over 50 plus 32 over 50 from the table, 135 over 50 plus 384 over 50. After calculating these, after adding these terms, we get Ex square will be 554 over 50. This is Ex square. Ex square is 554 over 50. Now putting the value of Ex square and Ex in this formula of variance, then variance becomes, variance of x will be value of Ex square is just we have found 554 over 50, 554 over 50 minus Ex square. Ex whole square, Ex is given in the question, that is 3.2. We will write here the square of Ex 3.2 square. After calculating, we get this 21 over 25, or in three significant figure, we can write 0.840, 0.840, or 21 over 25 is the answer.